We take you back to Integrated Science 1. An organism drawing energy from sunlight is hardly strange. That's the basis of photosynthesis in plants. But Superman's cells must be substantially more efficient at converting light into energy than the chemical reactions that take place in the cells of plants. Given the energy that Superman must expend in order to lift a building or an ocean liner, let alone fly at many times the speed of sound, his cells may even be based around some kind of nuclear reaction, such as the cold fusion, which requires light to trigger the reaction. That would make him a truly alien biology, and thus a mutation. There are also a number of openings among the heavy elements, with atomic numbers of above 118, although elements in this range are unstable and have half-lives of, at best, only a few seconds. It also means kryptonite would be very radioactive and deadly both to Superman and us common folk. This fits with his ability to rob Superman of his powers and his symptoms akin to radiation sickness.